Good morning, all of you. Myself, Sandeep Parashar, and I am welcoming you online classes, 10th class computer class. We are reading Unit First, Web Application. In this, we are reading Session Second, Networking Fundamental. In last class, I already told you about networking and advantage and disadvantage of networking. In today's class, I will tell you what is network architecture. All of you are familiar with this word architecture. What is the meaning of this? Means how to create the networking. Design of networking. In our book, we have two types of network architecture. First, P2P network. Second, client server network. Now, I want to give you a little bit info about both of them. In P2P network, in this, it is connected with so many computers, but every computers are a individual and master computers. But in client server computer, only one computer is master. Otherwise, other computers are only part of master computer. First, peer-to-peer network. Peer means equal, and therefore in a peer-to-peer network, each computer or node is equal to other computers in terms of the resources that it can access and share. All computers in this type of network act both as the supplier as well as the consumer of resources. It treat all devices as having the equivalent capability. In a P2P network, each computer share its resources such as processing, power, disk storage, or hardware such as printer with other computers on the network. Now, I want to give you explanation about P2P network. In P2P network, I already told you every computer is working like a single computer. They are not part of any other computers. They are not in control of any other computers. If they want to store, they can store. If they want to share anything, they want to share printers, they can share. If they want to share any softwares, they can share. They want to store any data, they can share. If anybody want to access on any computer, they can allow to access them. Like this in the diagram, whole computers are connected but they are separated. This is known as peer-to-peer. All computers have master computers. Second thing, client server network. First of all, I want to show you diagrams. In client server computer, server is the master. After that, they all are client and they are the part. In a client server network, there is a powerful central computer which has more resources than the other computers connected to the network. This central computer is known as the server and the other computers are known as client or node of workstation. The server is responsible for providing all the information and resources to the client as per their request. The client sends request to the server for service. The client utilizes resources of the server but does not share its resources with any other computers. In normal words, in this only one computer is the master computer server. This is known as the server, and one computer control the all computers. This is the server, and after that all other computers, they are the part, they are known as the client. In I want to tell you, in our computer lab, we have a master computer. This is known as the server. It will be in the last corner. After that, we all have other parts of computers. This is the client computer. In this, if we want to store any data, it will store in the master computer. If we want to access in any computer, we need to go in the master computer. If any service provided by in this, then provided by the server. Without server's permission, they can't allow anything. Okay, after this we have difference between peer-to-peer and client-server network. I want to explain you. In peer-to-peer, all computers are equal in capabilities as well as in the use of resources. I already told you, in the peer-to-peer, all computers are master, they are equal. But in client-server, a specific computer more powerful than the others act as the server and provide resources to the other computers on the network. In this, only one computer is the main part. After that, they had the client. Second, in this type of network, each computer can request services and also provide service to the other computers. It will only on peer-to-peer. And after that, client. What happened in the client? In the client, only the main server receive the service request and give the permission. The server provide resources where the client can request resources from the server. Each computer can store its own data in peer-to-peer, but in client server, only main server store the data. Centralized computer, this is known as the server. In peer-to-peer, since every computer is also required to provide its resources for use by other in the network, no participant effect will be noted when multiple users simultaneously operate their computer. It means it will not hang. But in client computer, if we have so many users at a single time, it hangs sometimes. If all computers of the network request for services simultaneously from the server, it will result in slowing down of the server. So many times it will happen in upper level also. A peer-to-peer network is less expensive and easier to implement because only single computers are there. But in client server network are usually more expensive. It is so costly and not so easy to implement. After that, we will require some device also. In peer-to-peer, security is a major concern with this type of network because we need to provide security for a separate computers. But in client server, we need to give security only for main computer. It is easy to take measure to secure the system in a client server network. A specific computer can be allowed access to a specific area of the system. In our last, it is usually implemented for a smaller number of computers located in a limited area. Yeah, only in a small area. Like Napster and BitTorrent are spread across the world. And client server is required for big organization. A client server application like email is spread worldwide. However, in many cases, this type of network is implemented locally also, such as an office building or in educational campuses also. So today I finished network architecture, two types, peer-to-peer and client server. In peer-to-peer, all computers are equal, all computers are masters, but in client computer, only main computers are master. This is known as server. After that, they all have participants, they have client. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe. And please stay at home and keep your family safe.